Welcome to this video. I'm at Indianapolis Rowing Center. We're going to run a program here called First Strokes. So I was thinking to film a little bit from this program, show you a little bit how it works when we have an opening ceremony. We have a lot of people coming down here, like 120 people. I think this is like a record when it comes to beginner programs here in the US with 120 people. So I'm going to show you a little bit how it's going to work, how we're going to take care of these 120 people, and also going to interview some of the members here from the club. They're really excited. So here I have the t-shirt from the Indianapolis Rowing Center. I'm also going to show you a little bit the facilities. So let's go. As you can see here we have the club. It's quite big and it's really beautiful here at Eagle Geek in Indianapolis. Pretty close to the city center. I'm going to show you a little bit. They have a lot of boats here, guys. So yeah, this is the boathouse. They have 16.8. Can you believe that? That's a lot of boats. So they have a lot of quads. Here you have some of the 8s. Here you have some more of the other quads. Here you have even more 8s, more paddles down there. On the top of the boathouse, they have the singles. And yeah, here you can see the Erics, the rowing machines. So we have a lot of people coming here, and as you can see, all the guys with the t-shirts are going to help. They're going to be coaches during the course, so that's really cool. And then here we have the station where we're going to welcome all the people. As you can see, people are already getting here, so it's really exciting. And here we have Ruben, one of the guys that started everything. Ruben, what do you think about this course?
It's going to be a really fun course. We are getting started soon, so yeah. A little bit more than 100 people are coming here today, so we'll see how it goes. Here we have the coaches. Coaches, say hi.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Are you excited for the program?
Let's go. Let's go.
Alright.
Let's go. Here we have some more coaches, guys, so you can see a little bit the energy here on the opening ceremony. It's really important to have good energy in such an event, otherwise it flops. Yeah, so the idea with this course, guys, is to learn people how to row. So we're going to have adults here. They're going to be here for 4 weeks. We have made a good setup for them so you can actually learn rowing, make new friends, and eventually also go over to the club's foundation team. So that's what we are doing here. So 4 weeks, we have 120 people, and usually when we run these projects, our goal is always to have everything from 30% to 70% of retention. So that's what we are aiming here also. And I think it's a really good club, so we're easily going to achieve that. So yeah, so follow with Ahmed. He's going to walk you through the rest of the club, show you a little bit around, show you the participants. I'm going to go and talk a little bit with Lisa. So yeah, that's it for me for now. See you soon.
Here we have Lisa, actually. I just find the project manager. So Lisa, how do you feel about this program?
This has been a honest dream for me. Like I found rowing 4 years ago here at IRC, and it's literally changed my life. And I had a vision to introduce rowing to Indianapolis in a big way, and I can't believe it's actually happening today. So I'm super excited. We're about to bring on 100 people in that have never done rowing, adults. It's really exciting. It's a dream come true.
It's going to be amazing.
Yeah.
All right, Lisa, we talk later.
Yeah, thank you.
Here we have Liv.
Oh my
She's going to be the head coach. Liv, you want to give us a short interview?
Sure.
Yeah? So how do you feel about this program?
I'm really excited. I'm also nervous. I don't think we've had this many people here before, but I'm really, really excited.
What are you looking most forward to?
I'm looking forward to teaching adults. I've taught kids for about 6 years now, so I'm really excited to teach adults. And my mom and my aunt and my uncle are going to be here, so I'm excited for that.
Oh, that's cool. You have to make them proud.
I will. I'm going to try.
Perfect, Liv. We catch up later. How do you feel about this program, the First Strokes? Tell us a little bit more about yourself, who you are, first of all, how you ended up in rowing, and then how do you feel about this program as well?
So I think this is an amazing opportunity for so many people. I started rowing when in 2018, so this is 2025, so 8 years ago. I started indoor and haven't stopped since. I love it. I think it's a fantastic fitness way to be competitive still, and I love it. I come here, I practically live here in our boathouse because I love it so much. I'm retired and it's a fun place to be. Our community is amazing. We have great coaches, great people of all levels that row, and everyone is welcome. So that's.
And how do you feel about the First Strokes program?
The First Strokes program is an amazing idea. It's a way to get so many people interested at the same time and brought together as a unity fashion big group to see what we have here, because otherwise it's kind of a hidden gem. And so you don't know about it. I used to run the trails through Eagle Creek Park, and I didn't know that rowing existed in my backyard. So I think it's fantastic way to bring people together and learn about rowing all at once.
I agree with you. Thank you so much for your time and good luck today. So over there we're gonna have a station where the participants are gonna get to know each other. We're gonna have some speed dating. I was thinking that I can walk you guys down to the dock and show you a little bit how it looks out on the lake. They have a really nice lake here. They have a 2,000-meter course, so that's amazing. And then they can also row on the other side of the lake, so they can row like easy 10 kilometers without turning. That's amazing. They also host a lot of regattas here in Indianapolis. They have multiple regattas during the year, and yeah, I would say that this club is ready to grow and get a lot of new members. As you can see, we have a lady out on the water right now. We probably can get a short interview with her. And as you can see, they have a lot of safety boats out there. We have also 2 aids, because we're gonna have a station where the participants are gonna try to sit on a boat and just check how it looks like. So there we have an experienced rower. Maybe we can interview her and ask her how it feels to be a part of Indianapolis Rowing Center, and ask her how it feels to be out on the water. Hi there! We are here with
Grace.
Hey Grace, you want to hold the mic?
Oh, sure.
How was your session?
It was good. Yeah, it's a little bit hot, so I came in a little bit early, but
Yeah.
it was a beautiful day.
Alright, how long have you been rowing?
Since freshman year of high school, so 6 years now.
And how does it feel to be a member here? How is the club here? How are the coaches?
Oh, it's great. Like, it really got me into the program. Like, I came here just to try it out for a few weeks over the summer, freshman year of high school, and here I am going into my junior year at a Division I program.
Oh,
So
that's amazing. Have you heard about the First Strokes program we're running here?
I think I've seen it on social media a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. What do you think about it?
It sounds cool. It sounds like it's a great way to get a lot of people into the sport that I love so much, so.
That's perfect, that's perfect. Well, nice to talk to you, and good luck with your training and your competitions this
Thank
year.
you.
Thank you. I'm just going up again because it's getting close to the start of the opening ceremony. It's going to be exciting to meet all these new members of the club and also give them a really nice kickoff. Here we are, we have the first people already here. As you can see, there are around 60 people here waiting under the tent. It's really warm today, it's like insane. It's like 30 degrees, so you literally get burned out on the sun. Here we have some of the coaches. Hi there. Do you feel ready?
Oh yeah, I am so ready. I'm excited to just meet everyone. I mean, look at how many people are here. I mean, this is like the largest group of rowers I feel like I've ever seen, especially like new people. Amazing job.
All right, here we have them. People are getting out. As I told you, a lot of people here, so we're gonna welcome them. We're gonna introduce all the coaches so they feel welcome. Here we go. US biggest rowing course. At Indianapolis Rowing Center. Look at how many people. This is crazy. People getting excited here. They're just hearing that this is the US biggest rowing program.
First, I just want to say it is so exciting to see this many people here. This is the little program that could, and I have to say thank you to Ruben and Ahmet because they brought this to Lisa, and Lisa brought it, and everybody said, this is Indianapolis, you don't understand, this can't happen. And then we had a waiting list, and this is amazing, absolutely amazing. You guys are going to have so much fun. We have so many people here representing IRC juniors, collegiate rowers, some people from the Masters. So I hope you guys have a great time. I can't wait to hear all about it. Get out there and row.
So we had a really good pitch from the president of the rowing club, Amanda. Yeah, so that is it for now, guys. I'm gonna go take care of my station, the speed dating. Here we have full speed with a speed date. People love to talk with each other and ask them the questions. Let's go into the boathouse. Here we have the station, the rowing machine. So people are learning the basics on the rowing machine. Look at them, trying really hard. Here we have a coach demonstrating. It looks good.
Nice job, guys. Let's do it one more time. Sit up at the catches for me. Sit up.
And here we have a station where people, register and they, talk to some of the club members. Pretty nice station. And then we have the next station down there where people carry the boats. This is a really nice station for them to learn how to carry the boats, to learn how to carry the paddles. So we have some really experienced instructors here. As you can see, they're lying here, eager to learn how to carry the 8. Yeah, I'm not going to disturb them, but as you can see, they really want to learn that. And last but not least, we have a station where people try to sit in the 8s. So that station is down here. There they are. Yeah, like 25 people up on the dock there. Here you get a better view of this station, where people are gonna try to sit on the rowing boats for the first time. They look really excited. So we're gonna see how they're gonna lift the boat. Let's see after all the instructions, see if they can do it properly. Hands on. Oh, that looked easy.
So nice and easy down to those slings.
Oh, that looks smooth. Well done, guys. So here we go. Everybody's coming back to the center. We're gonna have a nice team chat here and tell them a little bit more about the upcoming week, and also we're gonna have a little surprise here, so it's gonna be really, really fun. So now we're gonna do the traditional IRC celebration. You can just enjoy this one. That's cool, 100 people there gathering together. Alright, that was cool. Some confetti. Here we have all of them. We're gonna take some team photos here. So we have a professional photographer here, except for me, filming this opening ceremony. So we're gonna be against the boathouse. Yeah. Here we go, look at them. That's really cool. Yeah, so now we have to fit everybody here so we can have the boathouse in the background. I think we can do that. 1, 2, 3! IRC! Wow! Again! 1, 2, 3! IRC! Wow! Alright guys, take it for That's amazing. So we're done. People had a lot of fun. I'm gonna try to interview some people. Hi Chris. How is it going?
It's good.
Do you want to present yourself and tell us a little bit more about this day?
Yeah, let's go outside. Hi, my name is Chris Marr. I'm the Director of Operations at Indianapolis Rowing Center. We have First Strokes here this summer, first time we've done it. Looking to get a whole lot of adults involved in rowing of all different backgrounds from all over the Indy area, and just having a great time out here working with, frankly, some of our coaches that started rowing here in middle school, and now they're on the other side coaching adults. So it's great time to be out here in the park and out here in the summer and just getting more people in boats. That's what it's all about.
That's amazing, Chris. And you are quite new here, and you have done so many changes, and this club looks totally different, right?
Thank you.
Tell us a bit more about that.
Yeah, so I started in March, and it was a bit of baptism by fire, some tornadoes coming through over the course and everything. But yeah, we just got a great team here that's been helping improve things and clean stuff up, and just getting things organized and a little more structured. So it's been good, and can't wait to keep going through that.
That's awesome. What do you say about today's opening ceremony?
It was fun. It was great to see this many people in the park and this many people just outside looking at boats and hoping to get a lot of them hooked.
I'm gonna try to get a short interview with the president of the club, Amanda. So here we have Amanda, the president of the Indianapolis Rowing Center. Amanda, you can have the mic.
Yes. Okay.
How did it go today? How do you feel about this program?
I think it went well. Everybody's excited, even though it's hot. Everybody seemed to have fun. People were loving the erg. People don't love the erg.
Yeah, that's insane.
That's
I think
insane.
That people are not going to love the erg after a couple of months, right?
I think that they're going to be the same people in the winter going, do I have to erg? Do I have to erg?
Yeah.
So, no, I think it was really good. Super high energy.
Yeah.
Lots of fun.
Yeah. And how do you guys feel about these new members coming in? What's the vision?
We're so excited. We're looking at restructuring our entire program so we can accommodate all these new masters and have a place for everybody. So,
Sounds amazing. Well done today. Good job
Thank you.
introducing those people to the sport of rowing. And it's going to be exciting to learn them rowing together, right?
it sure is, and we're so excited to have you guys here.
Thank you, Amanda.
Thank you.
All right, here I am, the guy behind the camera. It was an amazing opening ceremony. We had a lot of people here. They had a lot of fun. And yeah, it was insane. So we're going to be here the first whole week. I'm going to film a little bit and also show you a little bit how it's going to go for these guys the first week during the first sessions. So it's going to be really fun. Thank you for watching so far. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.